What's up, Team Be the Reason fam? Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the world of affiliate marketing, turning beginners into pros. Today, we're tackling a big topic, time management for busy parents stepping into the world of affiliate marketing. Whether you're looking into Amazon affiliate marketing, TikTok Shop affiliate marketing, high ticket items, or joining one of the best affiliate programs out there, I got you covered. Today's video is brought to you by this book right here. It's the No BS Time Management for Entrepreneurs, the ultimate no holds barred, kick butt, take no prisoners guide to productivity and sanity, written by one of the greatest marketers that has ever lived, Dan Kennedy. Now, I'm going to leave the link to this book inside of the description of this video. This book has helped me change the way I think about my time and gave me the opportunity to be more productive in my business. And I want that for you as well. So make sure you guys check out this book. I'm leaving a link inside of the description so you guys can get it. If you don't know who I am, my name is Markus Naves. I first got started online about 7 years ago when I actually got fired from my construction job 2 weeks after my youngest son was born. I lost the house that I was renting. I fell behind on child support. I fell behind with other creditors and debtors. I had to move in full time with my girl, who's now my wife. She returned to work early, started paying all of our bills, and I became a broke stay-at-home dad. And I felt so embarrassed. I felt like confused of like, how am I going to help bring in money into the household? I went from having 2 kids to having 5 all of a sudden. And my girl was paying all of the bills. Like, what can I do? So I went online searching for ways to make money from home. And I came across affiliate marketing. And what I loved about affiliate marketing was the fact that I didn't have to have my own product. I could just promote somebody else's product and get paid commissions. That meant I didn't have to deal with customer service. I didn't have to deal with shipping or fulfilling that product. I didn't have to have like products in my house and ship them out later. I could be my own boss. I could create my own hours, and I can make unlimited, uncapped commissions. But the problem I had was, how can I manage my time as a parent and, starting my own online business? And it was hard and it sucked at first, because when I started affiliate marketing, I wasn't very good. I was using all of these old school strategies that were no longer working. And I was making all of these beginner mistakes because I was trying to do it all on my own. I felt so overwhelmed. I felt confused, and I was still broke. It wasn't until I finally decided to hire a coach, get into a program where I learned the step-by-step process of what affiliate marketing was, how it works, and how to put together a system that would actually, go with my schedule and be able to work with me. That's when I actually turned my affiliate marketing business around and started to have success. I took my business from making 0 to making over 4 figures per month inside of my affiliate marketing business. And it was all because I chose to be the reason for my own success and start really understanding and pay attention how to manage my time and be consistent with this process. All right. So affiliate marketing is amazing, a job opportunity, whether you're looking for something to do full time, whether you're looking to do it as a side hustle, whether you're looking to make more income from home, if you're an influencer, this is something that you need to add to your arsenal, because it's a great way to get paid, and you can start building your empire from home. Okay. Affiliate marketing is all about managing your time. Okay. So I'm going to be talking about some time management hacks that you guys can utilize in order to increase your traffic, increase your leads, and increase your sales for your business. And one of the main things that you want to do is find your golden hours, okay? Whether they're early mornings, is it around nap time, or is it late nights after you put the kids to bed? Like, what are the hours that you feel that you can work on your business for 1 to 2 hours, maybe even 3 hours per day, okay? What are your golden hours? Only you can determine that, because you know your life, right? You got Maybe you're working. Maybe your kids are in sports or other after school activities. You got to run them here. You got to run them there, right? You are a busy parent, just like myself. I have athletes myself playing football, playing volleyball. We got some that's in the choir. We have to figure out when can we do the things that we want to do? When can I work on my business? I want to be able to be there for my kids during their football games. I want to be there for my kids during their choir concerts, right? So when can I carve out time to spend time working on my business? Okay. So you have to figure out and carve out your golden hours. All right. And then once you are inside of that window, those hours, right? Those 1 to 2 hours you're working on, right? We need to be prioritizing high focus tasks. Like, what are the money making tasks that are going to allow us to actually get to our goals of where we want to go? That's what we got to focus on. Prioritize those high tasks that are going to get us to where we're going, instead of just showing up trying to figure out, oh, what am I doing today, and wasting time not actually being productive. Okay, so here are a couple of hacks that you can use in order to figure out when your golden hours are and how you can be more productive during those hours. The next thing we need to figure out is how to automate and delegate. We need to learn how to work smarter, not harder. So once we are in our business, we need to start utilizing automation tools for more efficiency, whether they're email marketing tools where we're collecting people's emails and it's automatically sending emails for us, right? Whether they're sales funnels, where they're collecting leads for us, delivering our videos or our products and services or our ebooks. Okay, whether it's hiring a VA to post on your social media for you, right? We need to be delegating, utilizing automation tools to help with our efficiency and allow us to work quicker. Okay, we also need to be delegating our household task. Right? Maybe you're the one that always is the one cooking, or always the one cleaning. Okay. Maybe our kids can start helping around the house, cleaning up a little more. Maybe our spouse can, do a little more than they're doing, right? Delegate tasks throughout your household so we can get to a good routine and people are, efficient every single day and we know what we're doing. So we can stick to that schedule, okay? And we want to be delegating routine tasks. So tasks that you have to repeat over and over and over again. Maybe it's, engaging on social media. Maybe you have to write scripts for content. Like, what are some routine tasks that you need to do over and over and over again that maybe you can hire out? Maybe you can find some freelancers on websites like Upwork or Fiverr.com where you're hiring VAs to post social media content for you, or to schedule out your videos, or to do some research for you, right? Tasks that you don't want to do, somebody else will do it for you. You just got to understand, how can I find them and what do I actually want them to do? Okay, so utilizing automation tools, delegating your household tasks, and delegating routine tasks are going to help you be more productive while you're in your affiliate marketing business. All right. Now, once we figure those things out, consistency is key. It's going to help us stay on track. A lot of people get in this business, and if they don't make money within the first 30 to 60 days, all of a sudden they quit. But one of the things that they aren't at the beginning is consistent. All right. You can spend the first month of affiliate marketing just figuring out affiliate marketing, figuring out the language, trying to find your best products, trying to do research on them, trying to figure out how you're going to promote those products and market the product, right? And yeah, you can go by and not make money your first month, but if you actually start being consistent and staying on track and continue to produce that content, or continue to stick to a regular schedule that you make for yourself, guess what? You're going to start to gradually grow day after day, month after month, year after year, to where you can build that business where you want it to go. All right. Consistency is going to build momentum. That's just like having a snowball, right? I live in Michigan, and in the winter here, it snows, and it snows a lot. And what we like to do is go outside. I like to go outside with my son, and we like to make snowmen, right? A snowman. So in order to make a snowman, you need to start with a simple snowball. So when you pick up the snow, you're packing that snow into a ball. Once it's in a ball, now you can put it right back on the ground in the snow. You can start rolling that ball. And as you continue to roll that snowball, it's going to become a bigger and bigger and bigger ball until you get it to where you want it, the base of the snowman, right? Same thing goes with your business. The more you stay consistent, the more discipline you have in your business, the bigger your business is going to grow. The bigger your brand is going to grow. The more sales you're going to make because you are being consistent, okay? So consistency builds momentum. And that's where a lot of people fall off in this world, okay? They stop being consistent because they feel that it's too hard, right? So it's not hard. You just have to have a schedule, stick to that schedule, and stay consistent so we can be on track. Now, this is your time to build your empire. You got it. You've got this, okay? So you can balance your family and business with confidence, okay? So in our family life, we're going to be delegating tasks. We're going to be finding our golden hours, whether it's early mornings, nap times, late nights, okay? We're still going to be able to spend that time with family and build our business with confidence, because once we're in our business and those golden hours, we're going to be working on high priority tasks that are going to get us to our goals that we want to accomplish. All right. And that's going to allow us to start building our digital empire. So the more we do this on a daily basis, the more we're going to be working towards financial freedom. The more we're going to be working towards being able to get our time back, right? To be able to take more vacations, to be able to have more money, to be able to have the freedom to do what it is that you want to do whenever you want to do it. You got it. Your mind has to be right. You have to be consistent and stay disciplined in your business. All right. So get started with affiliate marketing. I'm excited that you guys are watching this. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video. If you guys got value from this, make sure you share this with your friends. And because you are here, you watch this video to the end, I am going to be offering you guys a free gift to get started with affiliate marketing. All you have to do is click the link inside of the description of this video. It's going to take you over to a 7-question survey. Now, it'll take you less than 30 seconds to actually answer those questions. But once you do, I'm going to email you over some free information that's going to help you start, grow, and scale your affiliate marketing businesses here in 2024. So make sure you guys click that link in the description to get access to that. I want to thank you guys for taking time out of your day to spend here with me and learn more about how to manage your time as an affiliate marketer and a busy parent. I hope you guys got value from this. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Remember, it's time to be the reason for your own success. Y'all take care.